and welcome back. I am Pam and V is behind the camera.
Hello.
And we are the Kindred Vegans and we are so excited to be back with you doing more recipes. Today is kind of a quick and easy one. It can be used in a variety of ways, and I will tell you as we go along. Make sure you go down and hit that little like button down there and leave us your comments. What do you do for quick and easy lunches or quick and easy hors d'oeuvres? Just to give you a hint about what we're talking about, let us know down in the comments section. All right, ingredients. And I'm not even sure what to call this. This is a mixed vegetable appetizer. We will come up with a great name for this, I'm sure. But let me tell you what I've got in here. This is one of those whole English cucumbers. I did not peel it. And I like the English cucumbers, those long ones, because the seeds are small. Yeah, so it makes a nice
We always have a bunch of those on hand.
Absolutely, because it makes a great 50-50 if you're doing something and you need an extra veggie. I have 1 can of rinsed garbanzo beans. You could cook your own, but I did not this time. These are some chopped green onions. It's about 1/4 cup, maybe just a little bit more, maybe 1/3 cup here. This is 1 red bell pepper chopped, 2 celery spears, and this is our dressing that we use all the time, and we will link this down below. This is our peanut butter dressing, and to keep it fat-free, what we do is use the peanut butter powder in the dressing, and it's delicious.
Which is defatted as well.
Yeah. So it is delicious, and we'll link the recipe so that you have it. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna put this together. It's really quick. I'm just gonna add all of these ingredients to a bowl. There's the cucumber, the garbanzos, red bell pepper.
Almost Christmassy too, with all those green and red.
Green and red. And you could use like an orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper.
Yeah.
If you like bell pepper, you could put more in. I think this is a flexible dish. And let me mix it up, and then I'm going to add some dressing.
Now, are you going to add salt and pepper to it? Or
I am not, just because the dressing has salt and pepper in it.
Okay.
But you could if you wanted, you can make it how you want. So if it's not salty enough or doesn't have enough pepper, I'm just going to add some dressing and then give it a mix. And I like this dressing because it's thicker. You could use like a balsamic vinegar, but that's kind of thin, so it's not going to stick to the vegetables as well. And I'm going to mix this up. Oh, it smells really good. And I'll tell you what I wanted to do today was to put this on some endive leaves as an appetizer. Because it's getting to be Christmas time, Thanksgiving. You're going to be having parties and people over, and I think this just would make a great appetizer that everybody can eat. But they did not have endive at the grocery store. So I bought some bibb lettuce, which is usually larger, but I mean, these are like tiny little leaves. So I would double them up and put...
Make it like a taco?
Make it like a taco. And we've done this before with like fajitas and taco stuff as well. And that is how I would eat it for lunch. You know what I mean? Just to double up on your lettuce leaves because they're kind of fragile. And then just to add it on top and eat it.
And this is a good, perfect 50-50 snack too.
Yeah.
If you're hungry, like just before lunch or dinner, and it's a good grab to bite.
And I think that in thinking about going forward, because you've seen my previous video where I talk about I gained a little bit of weight this year because I was on the road so much. I think this would be a great one to take on the road with you, because you can prepare this part separate and keep it in a dish on ice, or if you're going to a hotel, with a mini fridge or something like that, it's perfect. And then you can just bring, which I have here, some spring mix, any kind of spring mix, and then you can just throw it in a bowl. Spring mix, put this on top, and it's a great quick lunch idea. And I was also thinking for picnics, or if you're going to a potluck, you could add this, add in some prepared rice, cold rice, or cold quinoa, cold cooked quinoa, and mix it up, and you've got a great salad type of dish that people would love. And I have done this dressing with these ingredients and put it with some shredded cabbage and that same dressing and taken it as well to a potluck. So I think those are just some ideas on what you can do with this. It's so flexible and it's really delicious. You can eat it as is if you like, but those are some ideas. So we we eat what we make. So we're gonna have this for our lunch today. And I hope you are enjoying having us back with you. So make sure you go down there, like, comment, share this with people that you know that are wanting to or have already gone onto a whole food plant-based lifestyle. And I really want you to go join us over at Whole Food Plant-Based Health and Weight Loss with Kindred Vegans on Facebook. We have a Facebook group there for women. It's a safe place where you can talk about the issues, talk about recipes, talk about what you're struggling with or your successes, and we will see you there. And I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next Wednesday. Bye for now.
Bye.